audit tool in Excel, basically you go to the formula toolbar, then you click on a cell that you want to audit, find out like its precedence or dependence, and you can use these buttons here to track, say the dependence, like where's that number used, what formulas use it. So it's used in this formula here, and if I click or double click on the line, it takes you to that cell. So it's just 10% of that cell, and this one here with the dotted line means it's not on this sheet, it's on another sheet in the same file. If I double click on that line, it actually shows you a pop-up of which sheet it's on and what cell. So it's in C32 in this file and on the sheet called numbers. So it's on C32, cancel that and just take a look on here and see that it's right there, C32. So another thing, I can remove those lines, and if you're on a cell like this, that's this total. If I hit precedence, it shows me what built that total. Tracing dependence shows where, if it's used anywhere else. So that cell D9 is used in this formula. And there you go, there's a reference. Now also you see the red little triangles? That's just being, I put a comment. So if you right click, you can insert a comment, you can add comments, right click, new comment, type a comment. You'll see a triangle. So also notes, and you'll see a red triangle. So when you hover over it, it shows you the note. When you can right click to delete the note, to edit the note. Okay, so sometimes you have errors on your spreadsheet. This button here, error checking, takes you to the error cell and gives you some advice and some helping troubleshoot the error. Next, we take you to the next error. This one here is an interesting one. If you say trace precedence, you'll see all the cells that feed that cell. And remove arrows. So, and the home button takes me back to the main page.